Look at what came in the mail today! The Star albums. I got the red version, the green version, the blue version, and the regular version. Oh my god. I accidentally saw whose poster I got! Oh my god! Look, I opened my CD and I accidentally flipped it. So oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no. Oh no, I don't know what to do. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I accidentally. Oh no, what's wrong with me? Why am I doing this? Okay. I saw this. Oh my god. Why am I doing this to myself? I keep opening things by accident. I might as well just. Okay, wait. Wait, I didn't know the cards were transparent. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay. Ah! Almost saw it. I almost saw it. Ah! Oh my god! I accidentally. My son! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I cannot believe I got friggin' Ichigo pudding. Okay, let's see who we have here. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Shoya! I never got Shoya before. Shoya! How pretty! I didn't know they were transparent. This is so cool. Oh, yeah, okay. I need to breathe. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Just say. My son, my handsome son, I'm so proud of you. I'm not ready. My heart can't take it no more. My eyes hurt. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I love you, Sho. Was there a garden here? I don't remember. Oh god. I'm shaking. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. I got this beret card. I love you so much. Okay, 1, 2. I am on the ground. My knees are weak. My knees are weak. Help. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, no joking. This is nuts. This is nuts. You guys. I don't think. These are the best pulls on the planet. I am gonna cry. I love JO1 and I love Jam. Everyone stream the star, please.